Here are 3 reasons you will most likely lose money trading Forex. Of course, that's the last thing we want, so stay here and find out what to avoid. Number 1, stop being a system tourist. So many aspiring traders jump from system to system, never truly giving one a proper chance. You need to give each one some time in order to get actual results and see how it performs over many trades, not just a few days worth. Number 2, keep your risk low and base it off a percentage of your account. Maximum of 2%, 1% is even better. Keeping risk low on every trade helps you keep your hard-earned money in your account, allowing you to trade another day. Number 3, patience. This is not a race. Most traders try and rush their way to riches and end up blowing accounts. Avoid crashing your account by having a plan and waiting for the trade setups to develop. You can't force things to happen. To get access to our free membership, click the sign up button below and join us today. What are you waiting for? Click the sign up button below and join us for free today.